Hi there, today I want to talk to you about creating a vision board or a vision book and how this wonderful tool can help you activate the law of attraction and achieve your greatest dreams. So I know what you might be thinking, and right, but I've got a couple of examples where this has worked for me. It's actually blew me away. One of them was a home with a cabin in the garden near to a railway station so my children can walk to the station to get to school, and to have it smaller, to be really perfect. And I was reading through my diary after I created it, because I wrote everything down afterwards, about a year later, and I realised I'd actually written it down, and I was sitting in the house, and I had moved about 3 months earlier and found the house that I had created on my manifest board. And we kind of forget these things. And I used to kind of keep them up. I don't have space for all my boards now, but I used to keep them up in the attic. And I'd look back and I'd go, oh my goodness me, this happened or that happened. I wanted a dog. And then we got this amazing puppy. But I said I wanted a dog that I could work at home with. And since I got her, lockdown happened. So I'm working and she's with me or with us. So this stuff really does happen, but your brain will work tirelessly to achieve the statements you give your subconscious mind. And when those statements are the affirmations and images of your goals, you're destined to achieve them. Creating a board or a manifestation board is probably one of the most valuable visualization tools that is available to you. And this powerful tool that I'm going to show you in a minute serves as your image of the future, and it's a tangible representation of where you're going. It represents your dreams, your goals, and your ideal life. So I am going to be putting on my board all sorts of different areas, but because your mind responds strongly to visual stimulation by putting out there your goals with pictures and images and a whole lot more I'm going to put on, you will actually strengthen and stimulate your emotions. And it's your emotions that are the vibrational energy, the vibes that activates the law of attraction. It's the ones going, woohoo, we're here and we are ready. And you know that saying a picture is worth 1,000 words. This is the truth with all of this. And it's really important to illustrate your dreams and goals visually. And you wake up in the morning and go, I'm going to look at what is coming in, what I'm going to go after, what I'm going to put in place to attract this in. So begin creating a vision board. How do we do it? We begin by creating a vision board. I keep lifting this up and down and I will show you. By finding pictures that represent or symbolise experiences, the feelings and the possessions you want to attract into your life, and place them on the board and have fun with this process, yeah? You can use photographs, cutouts from magazine pictures, pictures from the internet, and you might want to kind of Google places like Google Images or Pinterest, but whatever inspires you to be creative. And include not only pictures, but anything that speaks to you, such as, where's it gone? Sort of symbols and, where's it gone? This is so funny. I'll stick this one up instead. I love butterflies, yeah? Choose, just post your affirmations in your inspirational word quotations. True you, feel more secure. Going to show you some of these things as well, and good words like love and joy. So Spears 500, I'm in the Spears 500 this year. It's amazing. It's an incredible ultra high net worth black book to be in. You can use your vision boards to for the big goals in your life and the dreams in all the areas of your life, or in just one area if you want, if that's what you're most wanting to focus on. Trick is to keep it neat and be selective about what you place on your vision board. So avoid creating a cluttered or chaotic board, because you don't want to attract a lot of chaos into your life. So only use the words and images that best represent your purpose and your ideal future. friends reunited, yeah? I've got, I want somebody to hug me, yeah? And there's beauty in simplicity, but stick to words that positively inspire you, that bring up positive emotions inside of you. Too many images and too much information will be distracting and harder for your subconscious mind to focus on. So if you're working on visualizing and creating changes in many areas of your life, you might want to use one vision board, or you might want to use one for maybe like your personal goals and another for your career and one for your financial goals. You might even want to keep a career vision board at the office. I've got one downstairs, or on your desk as a means of inspiration, of affirmation, and keep trying your other vision board. Try keeping your other vision board on your night, beside your bed, next to your bed, on the wall. Leave it standing in an open position, so as often as possible you can spend time each morning and evening visualizing, affirming, believing in, and internalizing these goals. And the time you spend visualizing in the evening just before bed is really especially powerful, because the thoughts and images that are present in your mind during the last 45 minutes before going to sleep are the ones that will replay themselves. And that is really key to sleeping well, yeah? So think about that when you're feeling anxious and worried. And all this stuff is in my courses. So repeatedly in your subconscious mind, and they're repeating the subconscious mind through the night. And those thoughts and images that you begin with each day will help you create a vibrational match for the future you desire that day in the future. So bring it all in. And as time goes by, your genes begin to manifest. It's incredible. So look at these images that represent your achievements. Yeah, I'm going to get Gwyneth Paltrow on my podcast and feel gratitude for how well the law of attraction is working in your life. I wanted to work with high net worth clients. I'm in the Spears 500, and acknowledge that it's working. And don't remove the images or pictures that represent your goals you've already achieved. Yeah, achievement of the goals on your vision boards are powerful visual reminders of what you've already consciously and deliberately attracted into your life. And it's also a good idea to create a new vision board each year. So we've got a new year coming up. It's going to be a perfect time, but if you choose to do it in January or February, that's okay too. And as you continue to grow and evolve and expand your dreams, they're going to expand and grow and evolve as well. And also your vision board is meant to be kept and cherished, because they are a chronicle not only of your dreams but your growth and your achievements. And I mentioned before that I actually gave some away, but actually some of them had stuff in that I just didn't want to hold on to, so I let them go, and I'm very happy with the last two I have. So what I want you to do, a little bit of homework to complete after you've done watching this video, is start to gather words, images that represent your true purpose. And then spend the morning, evening, day creating your ideal vision board. And this holds you accountable. If you want to go to India and go cycling in India, put it there. Stay with it. Invest in this thought, invest in this idea, invest in what you want to do. So I'm just going to show you a few more things that I've got on my manifest board here. And I've got things like healthy, look. I've got a nice heart because I still believe in love. I've got, what have I got here? Healthy soul food, yeah? Healthy soul food. Something I've always wanted to do better is to learn to surf. So I've got a picture of a surfboard. I've got, what else have I got in here already? Let me talk to you about what I've got. So I've got Gwyneth Paltrow being on my podcast. There she is, my ask. I want to feel more secure about money. We live in uncertain times at the moment. I'm bringing in that feeling of security, yeah, being purposeful. Love my job. It's never too late. I just invested in a training course with some more coaching to expand my coaching. practices and my experience, and I've invested in that. I'm really excited about it, so I want to get that done this year. Slow dating, love and relationships. So what I have done is, instead of creating lots of different boards, I have decided to put all my boards on one. So I've got a lovely big board here. I've got home and family. So I love plants in my home and just lovely pieces in my home. I've got health and fun. So I've got the planet, a lovely heart-shaped tree, heart-shaped in a forest, probably in South America, I'd imagine. I've got the Healy. So the Healy is something I brought into my life. I wanted to get healthier. I wanted to, I wanted to increase. I wanted to raise my vibration. I wanted my cells to be happy cells. And this is a bioresonance frequency device, which I wear. Where is it? Here. So this is for me, and every morning before I get up, I do some meditation. I run this, the energy, which is connected to an app on my phone, through my body, like a pure, or I do a skin, internal beauty, obviously you can tell. And I do joints. It's very good for anxiety. Since I've been using this, I feel so calm as well. I feel so much calmer, and I'm like 52, so I'm like hormone, like raging country. But no. My divorce goddess. Love, relationships, health, home, family, finance, fun. So, and my book. I want to get my book out this year, finally. So that's going on this board now. And this is a lovely drawing that somebody did. I had a reading. Can't really see it, I don't think. Anyway, it's a pencil of a sort of a tapestry of my life, and here I am, this eagle floating above it, and it's all just watching it and just bringing it into my life as well. So this is what it's all about here. And put that over there. So this video and this part will all be available in my courses, my downloadable programs, and I'm really looking forward to doing some lives and really going through this kind of lovely stuff as well, to help build you up, help you feel more empowered, stronger, to see your future beyond what you've been through. Thank you for listening. Always happy for you to hug me and go travelling. And finally, where's the picture? Where's this picture? And to stop feeling you are not enough, because you are enough. So the stop is a reminder to me to stop feeling. For me, actually, it's about stopping. So it's taking more breaths. It's just taking those moments to stop during the day. But it's also to stop those negative mind monkeys who mess with your thoughts, that try to tell you you are not enough. And I've been there. I've been that person sitting in loathing and shame and failure. And you think, I'm never going to get out of this. But these practices, the course I'm doing, running, and it has all this stuff in there. So come in and sign up the mini money challenge would be great. That's an exciting course that you might want to try out. And yeah, and I'll see you around Divorce Goddess. All right.